So it's Friday the 7th of December 2018, and look at the bargains in Aldi's this week. Bananas 65p, seasonal pears 85p, Royal Gala apples 85p, mango 65p, persimmon 65p, kiwi fruit 65p, and it's all good quality stuff. Look at the British Royal Gala apples, they are very good indeed. Excusez-moi, and a bit of a supporting the British apple industry there, which I very much like. The pears are good, the mangoes are good. I mean, 65p for a mango like that that's been brought well across the road is fantastic. Persimmons there, very good as well. The kiwis are brilliant, and it's more of the same on the bottom shelf. So get yourself down to Aldi's this week. Healthy eating is a great thing. Of course, the focus of my channel is largely about growing your own, but unless you're very lucky, gifted, or whatever in between, you're not going to be growing your own mangoes here in the UK in general. Persimmons are possible, of course. I've got numerous videos on that, as are kiwis, and I have videos on that as well. So I hope everybody out there fancies taking a trip down to your local Aldi for some good quality and very well priced produce indeed. Come back into focus, you. There we go. That's a closer look at the mangoes. Oh, they look beautiful, don't they? 65p, I think that's great, really. You know, and doing a bit for your health as well, and you know, just look at that, really. Healthy food for a good price. Isn't that brilliant, eh? Well presented. I do like Aldi's, very much a no-nonsense basic thing. So how good is that, eh?